Hello guys, my name is Bishop Safi and I'm gonna teach you all about Ottoman Empire. So this is going to be my second lecture of my channel and the second lecture of Ottoman Empire. In the previous lecture, we learned that the introduction. What is the introduction of Ottoman Empire? In this lecture, we will learn the rise of Ottoman Empire. So this is make sure that you have watched the previous video because the previous video is important. So let's start. So the video starts. So the story starts from the formation of Byzantine Empire. So in the previous video, I told you that the Roman Empire was broken into two parts. So the west part was called Western Roman Empire, and the east part is called Byzantine Empire. So when the Byzantine Empire was distributed by the king Constantine in 330 BC, and he shifted the capital Rome to Constantinople, and by this the Eastern and Western Roman Empire was distributed, and after some time it got its peak in 555 AD, and in 14th century AD it was also broken because there were so many tribes during that time, and the Kai Kabila was the most powerful tribe. So the rise of them was the fall of Byzantine Empire. Byzantine Empire and Eastern Roman Empire are same, and so the Western Roman Empire. So how Roman Empire get lost? So the Western Roman Empire was get lost by the Germanic tribes that were rising during the 200 BC around this time. So that's why this was get lost, and so the first Ottoman ruler was Osman I, who was called Osman Bey, and they had the title of Bey instead of Sultan. So he extended the empire in Anatolian Peninsula. So the Anatolian Peninsula is the today Turkey, and they were successful in extending their empire because they were excellent horsemen, and they used short bows. Short bows were used by them. They were excavated from the sites of Anatolia. So these all are the uh, evidences of it. So make sure that you are making notes because everything is not written in on the slide. And okay, the second ruler is Orhan Ghazi. Orhan Ghazi was a true founder because the Osman one was using the coins of Ram Sultanate that was also existed during that time, and he got benefit of succession wars in Byzantine Empire during that time. The Byzantine Empire was in the phase of succession wars. The the childs of or the previous ruler were fighting each other. These are called succession wars, and because of it he got benefit, and he also married that John sixth daughter, and he captured Bursa and made it his capital. So their capital during the Osman one was Sojar, and after that he made the capital Bursa, and he also captured the city of Nicaea, in which was the second largest city of Byzantine Empire. So thank you, have a nice day. In the third lecture I will explain you the second part of the rise.